good morning. Welcome to today's vlog. We're gonna have another severe weather happening today. So, right now, sky looks okay, but we're gonna get some bad weather again because last night we did have bad weather, but today another bad weather continues. Look at that, we're in the dark weather. That means we're about to have a storms likely doing this. We live in Shaw, so we gotta get some likely storms. So it could be heavy rain and damage to winds, large hail, I don't know. So anyway, I forgot to tell you guys, you know WWDC 19 is coming next week. Not this Monday, but next Monday. So WWDC, it's like a worldwide developers conference for Apple. So you can get a scholarship or anything like that. So yeah, of course I'm a huge Apple fan. So yeah, because next week it is WWDC 2019. So I know I'm excited for like the unveiling of iOS 15 or anything like that. I will make a video of that too. So yeah, and also I've done a gaming update or a news update video. So it's will be up on both channels. I did talk about E3 conference and predictions. So yeah, go check it out. Look at that. Looks like we're gonna get some moderate rainstorm and get 1 to 2 inches of rain. So when dark wind, a little bit of dark wind, so probably get 1 to 2 inches of rain. So yeah, hope it doesn't damage my house. So anyway, I did record Fallout 76 yesterday for my original channel and Saints for the Third on my gaming channel yesterday. So on the original channel, I did record it because it is double XP weekend during a Memorial Day. Speaking of that, it is Memorial Day weekend and double XP weekend in Fallout 76. So I did record it yesterday during the fighting of the Scorched Beast Queen. So yeah, I did record that. So go check it out on the original channel and also Since for the Third on my gaming channel, which is Treatment 1 Games. And also for original channel, I did record Fallout 76. So it is Treatment 100. So yeah, go check those out. So for a snack right now, I'm having some Cheetos and bananas. So yeah. Alright guys, great timing for the start of Memorial Day weekend, but apparently they have a severe thunderstorm watch for the western, south central Kansas and western Kansas, all points of western Kansas, and half of south central Kansas on the west. So doesn't include Sedgwick County, but includes Pratt County, Noah, Ford, I don't know, a lot of counties, part of the western and south central Kansas. So yeah, it's southern Kansas. So yeah, but it's part of the portions of the southwestern and western Kansas. So we live in south central Kansas. So yeah, does include Central County. Hopefully the severe thunderstorm watch or tornado watch is gonna affect us again. I don't know. But whatever, we start Memorial Day weekend with more severe storms on the way. So yeah. But anyway, my mom and Ross and my grandmother went to Riverside Cafe for lunch. So she got to call me once they got done eating. So they gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. So I just had a snack. So yeah, but right now the sky is cloudy. So that is a good sign. So if everyone is camping on Memorial Day weekend, please make sure to be safe. Don't get hit by hails. Do not damage the car. So yeah, I just want all of you to be safe. But I don't know if I'm supposed to do gaming videos for the rest of the day. I just want to keep a close eye of the storm. So I just want to see what the conditions are. So yeah. But I'm still playing Saints Row the Third, my favorite game. And also, yesterday I did play Fallout 76 with Ross. So it's probably a double XP rating. But I will promise I will get back here tomorrow for another double XP. I think the double XP is still there until it expired. So yeah. So I keep a close eye on it. Alright guys, so they're under a tornado watch in southern Kansas, including Comanche. So we're not in Sedgwick County just yet, but we'll find out if we're not under a watch, or we're under a watch, or a tornado watch, or severe thunderstorm watch. I don't know. But I just want to keep a close eye on the storm. So, capable to the players, nothing bad happens during the severe weather. I, of course, wonder severe weather a lot. So, yeah. Having some damn at McDonald's, having fish and chicken nuggets and barbecue sauce. So, yeah. And for dessert, having some strawberry shortcake. Look at that. Alright guys, so we're under severe thunderstorm watch until midnight. So probably gonna get some bad weather. So we're under severe thunderstorm watch for Sedgwick County. So yeah. We're gonna have weather condition. I have to watch out for it. I don't know if I'm supposed to do a gameplay video tonight, because I have to watch the weather condition. I don't see any rotations yet. I don't know. Might begin some severe thunderstorm. So here is Wichita right now, and the storm system is going to be heading towards there. So I believe it's going to hit us. I think we're going to get some bad weather again. Maybe some hail. But I believe I'm gonna be okay. Alright guys, so they're having severe thunderstorm warning for Cadman County and Reno County, headed our way. So yeah. But hopefully we're gonna get us safe. Alright guys, and it's raining. It's starting to thunder. There is a severe thunderstorm headed our way. Oh man. What a great way to start Memorial Day weekend. Oh boy. For the past few days, we get severe weather. Oh boy. It's actually heading our way really fast. So by the way, I forgot to show you that poster. This is from GameStop. It is a Pokemon Detective Pikachu poster that I just hung up. And this over there, I got this poster frame from Walmart. It's actually 2 weeks ago. And I just hung up right here, so I actually see it. So yeah, I just want to show you that posters. So by the way, this poster I got for free from GameStop. And this poster frame that I got from Walmart, and that poster that came with the deluxe pack of Saints Row the Third, which I got it 2 weeks ago. So yeah. Look at that. It is raining. I believe it's starting to hail. I don't know. It's probably gonna get some flooding. If you guys can see it, because it is too dark to see. Oh boy. Alright, so we're under a severe thunderstorm warning. I can't believe we're under a severe thunderstorm warning again. Compared to last night. Oh boy. So yeah, we're under a severe thunderstorm warning for Sedgwick County until 9:15. So could see some hail, and I don't know if the power goes off again. So I don't know, but we're gonna be safe. My mom's back to me in my room.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh
You guys can see it because you can hear the lightning. So we're still under a severe thunderstorm warning. Alright guys, it's here. But the severe thunderstorm warning has been extended into 9:30. Oh wow! Look at that! Oh! Oh man, you can see that lightning. Oh man, that is so bad. Oh man! It's a dimension winds, oh man! Look at that!
Alexa, stop! Alexa, stop!
Oh, look at that! Oh man, it's windy. Oh man, look at that. Is that dimension winds?
It's not that windy, Trina. It's fine.
I can feel the tree.
You can feel it or you can see it.
I see the tree from the
Yes,
camera.
it is windy.
Is it really windy?
It's just windy, yes. It is windy. But you're
I
okay.
think it's really windy now.
Yeah, but you're okay.
Oh man, look at that. It's really, really windy. You can see the heavy wind coming down. Oh man, this wind is very, very heavy. Oh man. Oh man, I just heard a big boom. I mean, look at that. Look at that. There is a big boom and a lot of lightning. Oh boy. Alright guys, so we got flash flood warning until 1:30 for Sedgwick County. So good thing we did avoid flooding. So yeah. But the severe thunderstorm warning is over. But we're still under a severe thunderstorm watch until 12 o'clock at midnight. So good thing we did get a crack of thunder and that causes the electricity to go out. So yeah. But anyway, our thoughts to go out to you guys who are affected by the severe weather. And yeah. But I'm glad we are safe. So yeah, Memorial Day weekend has just gotten started with the severe weather. So we're ending the night. Bear's actually asleep. Look at that. Look at Bear. He's tired. He is so tired. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the end slate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Camp 17's channel. Until next time, peace.